This video covers how to move and customize data labels in a butterfly chart using Macabacus. The chart displays various metrics, with Company A on the left in lighter blue and Company B on the right in darker blue. Each series includes its own data labels for reference. Typically, repositioning data labels involves clicking and dragging them one by one, which is both imprecise and time-consuming. It's easy to accidentally misalign labels, requiring multiple adjustments or undoing changes with Ctrl-Z. Fortunately, Macabacus provides a better way to move data labels quickly and precisely. To access this feature, the chart is selected, then navigating to the Macabacus ribbon, opening the Charts dropdown, and finding Move Data Labels under Data Labels. This opens a customization dialog with several powerful options. The first step is selecting which series to edit. In this example, Company A represents the series on the left, the gap in the middle holds the metric labels, and Company B is the series on the right. Starting with Company A, the tool allows adjustments to all labels in the series at once, something that isn't possible through Excel's default settings. There's also an option to modify individual labels if needed. The rotation settings enable data labels to be rotated 90 degrees, 270 degrees, or even stacked. While sideways text might not be ideal in this chart, these options can be useful for other chart types. In this case, keeping the labels horizontal works best. The positioning controls provide even more flexibility. Labels can be moved manually using the arrow keys, with a step size defining the degree of movement. A step value of 5 moves labels incrementally, while 20 shifts them more dramatically. Labels can also be repositioned using preset alignment options. Right now, they are set to inside end, meaning they sit at the end of each bar. Changing them to inside base moves them to the base of each bar instead. Not all positioning options are available for every chart type. Selecting outside end triggers a Macabacus notification indicating that the position isn't supported for butterfly charts. For this type of chart, the best options are inside end, inside base, or centered. After making adjustments, labels can be reset at any time to revert to their original placement. Here, the labels were slightly off to the right, but a quick correction aligns them properly. Closing the tool finalizes the changes, making this process far more efficient than manually dragging each data label. Thank you for watching. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.